Before learning about sources of energy, we should know what energy is. The simplest definition of energy is the ability to do work. It's everywhere around us and takes different forms. It takes energy to cook, to play, to drive, etc. Sources of energy can be classified into two: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Renewable sources. Renewable sources of energy are available, plentiful in nature, and are sustainable. These sources of energy can be naturally replenished and are safe to the environment. They are solar energy. It is the most abundant renewable energy source available on the earth. It's the energy that we get from the sun. Heat from the sun is harnessed using various technologies and energy is produced. Solar radiation can be converted either into thermal energy, heat, or into electrical energy. Examples are solar water heating, solar cells, solar tech, solar lighting, and rooftop solar. Wind energy. Wind energy harnesses the wind to produce power through wind turbines. Wind energy does not pollute air like power plants. Wind energy is cost-effective and a clean source of energy. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the energy that is taken from the heat in the Earth's core. This energy is stored in rocks and fluids in the Earth's core. It can be used depending upon the technologies used for heating and cooling buildings. It's a constant source of energy with no emissions. Biomass energy. Biomass energy can be produced by living and dead organisms. The most commonly used biomass material are plants, wood, and waste. The biomass is burnt to create heat and then converted into electricity. The biomass emission is far smaller than that of burning fossil fuels and cleans the environment. Hydropower energy. Hydropower energy is one of the oldest sources which uses moving water to generate electricity. Examples: dam, reservoir. Beyond electricity, it provides flood control, irrigation support, and clean drinking water. Non-renewable sources. Non-renewable sources of energy cause impact to nature and are limited in supply. It will run out as the time passes. Coal. Coal is a combustible black material with high amount of carbon and hydrocarbons. Coal is a fossil fuel and obtained from remains of plants that are died million years ago. It is used to generate electricity. It causes air pollution and affects human beings by causing lung diseases. Natural gas. Natural gas is a fossil energy that is formed from the Earth's crust through openings or bored wells. Its main components are methane and hydrocarbons, which are harmful to the environment. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the use of nuclear reactions occurring in nuclear reactor to generate electricity. It is produced by the splitting of uranium atoms, a process called fission. Nuclear power produces radioactive waste which is harmful to the environment. Fossil fuel oil. A fossil fuel is produced from the remains of the dead plants and animals in the Earth's crust. They are burnt as a fuel. The main fossil fuel oil is crude oil. When they are burnt, they release large amount of carbon dioxide, which causes global warming.